If God is all-powerful and loving, why does He allow innocent people to suffer? This is one of the strongest arguments people make against God. If God can stop suffering and He is good, then why doesn't He stop it? The question is difficult, but Christianity doesn't answer it by pretending suffering isn't real. The Bible shows us that suffering entered a world wounded by sin, but it also teaches that God can bring good from suffering. Jesus himself entered into human suffering and experienced the cross. As St. Paul says, all things work for good for those who love God. Romans 8:28. So, the existence of suffering doesn't logically prove that God doesn't exist. The Christian claim is that God can permit suffering for a time without being the author of an evil, and ultimately, He promises to overcome it. In my conclusion, we may not understand every reason God permits suffering, but Christianity tells us something powerful. Suffering does not have the final word. Christ does. Follow Verse and Voice for clear Catholic answers to life's biggest questions.